everybody, this is Becca from Empowering Pumps and Equipment. I am here today with Jason Putnam from InproSeal, and we're going to talk about ISA. So Jason, why don't you introduce yourself?
Well, hello everyone. Hello, Becca. Thanks for having me. My name is Jason Putnam, and I am the marketing specialist for InproSeal. I've been with InproSeal for almost 15 years now, and I'm excited to talk to you. So yeah, thanks. Thanks for having me.
Of course. Thank you, Jason. So jumping right in, how do you support the electrical mechanical industry?
So in the electrical and mechanical industry, to put it simply, we keep motors running. And we do that by increasing reliability through permanent bearing protection. So electric motors, over half of electric motor failure is due to bearing failure. And a significant portion of that is due to contamination entering the bearing housing. It's due to lubrication loss, so lubrication escaping into atmosphere. And it's also due to stray shaft currents from VFDs damaging the bearing. So InproSeal delivers products that eliminates these issues.
That's great and very interesting. The 50%, that's a big deal.
It is. It is.
So how is Inpro with being at ISA this year? What are you guys planning to showcase?
So we will have, we'll be showcasing a number of our products. The main one, and the one that InproSeal is most known for, is the bearing isolator. InproSeal developed the bearing isolator in 1977. So we invented that technology over 40 years ago, and we've been perfecting it ever since. The bearing isolator is a non-contacting bearing seal that permanently keeps contamination out of the bearing housing and keeps the lubrication in. So those three issues that I spoke of, an InproSeal bearing isolator, it eliminates two of them right there. We have multiple designs for motors that we will have, but the main one that we will be showcasing is our Mini 66 design, which is an IP66 rated bearing isolator. It's got a very small cross section, so there's no need to modify equipment. It literally is, you put it in the bearing housing, you install it in the bearing housing, and you let it run. And we've had bearing isolators that have run for 15, 20 years with no need for ongoing maintenance. So that's the bearing isolator. The other product that we will be showcasing is the our shaft grounding line of products, which is our CDR and our MGS. As I mentioned earlier, stray shaft currents are a cause for bearing failure. And what our shaft current or our shaft grounding products do is they take the stray currents off of the shaft that are caused by VFDs, and they protect the bearings by sending those stray shaft currents directly to ground. So it's an easy way to alleviate those shaft currents and protect your bearings. Again, increasing reliability and reducing bearing failure. Another thing that we're going to be showcasing at ISA this year, and that we're really excited about this is the first time, because ISA was canceled last year. We were going to launch it at ISA last year, and we obviously were not able to do that. So we're going to be showcasing our marketplace, the InproSeal marketplace, which is it's our online store where you can order product and you can manage your account. You can check your shipping. You can check your order history. All of that stuff can be done within InproSeal Marketplace. So it's a very efficient way to manage your accounts with us, and it's a very efficient way to order products with us. And we will have someone there that can do on-site demos and can actually sign you up right then and there for Marketplace, can get you an account and get you on your way to a permanent bearing protection.
Oh, so many good things that people are going to be able to check out. That's awesome. And of course, being able to be back at a show in person is very exciting.
Yes, so we are excited for that. I feel like, I know me personally, I have not seen a customer in well over a year, and I'm excited to see someone, shake a hand, and just talk business. It's definitely been missed.
Absolutely, absolutely. So Jason, why don't you tell me, why is ISA such a beneficial show for your company?
ISA is a huge show for our company. I mean, like I mentioned earlier, I've been with InproSeal for 15 years. We have exhibited at ISA every year since I've been a part of InproSeal, and I know we've exhibited there probably 10, 15 years even before that. So ISA has always been a main component for us for our marketing strategy, and the reason being is it gets it gets us to our customers. A large customer base are both our aftermarket motor repair shops. We do a lot of business with them, and then also our OEM customers. And it just gives us an opportunity to get in front of existing customers, to get in front of new or potential customers, and just have conversations, talk about how we can help their business, and also just see some friendly faces and network and continue to build those relationships that we already have, which is extremely important, in being successful, and extremely important in helping our customers increase their reliability and reduce their downtime.
Absolutely. And so, I mean, kind of feeding off of that question as well, with this year's theme for ISA, it's keep industries moving. So how would you say that Inpro supports that theme?
So again, like I mentioned earlier, we keep motors running, we keep rotating equipment running. So we keep industry moving by helping them continue to move. Obviously, when you have downtime and your equipment's not running, you're not moving. And we don't want that. Nobody wants that. And so our products, they increase equipment reliability so that equipment continues to run. And if it's continuing to run, it's continuing to produce, and it's continuing to move.
And reliability is definitely critical.
Yes, absolutely.
All right. Well, why don't you tell me what the best way for people to connect with you is?
So if you're at ISA, obviously stop by the booth. I will be there. I'd love to have a conversation with you. We'll have other industry experts there, or engineering experts will be there that can help you with any problems that you may have when it comes to bearing failure. We are at booth 725, so please stop by. If you're not going to be at ISA, you can visit our website, www.inpro.seal.com. And there is a lot of information on our website, and then you can go to our contact form and reach out. And you can also find your local InproSeal representative. There's a locate a rep form there that can get you information on who your local representative, and then you can contact them that way.
Perfect. And definitely, if you are at ISA, definitely go check out InproSeal's booth and talk with Jason. So thank you so much for being here with me today, and everybody go check them out.
Thank you, Becca. Thank you, everyone, and we hope to see you there.